In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Virgin Atlantic points. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find ways to spend your Virgin Atlantic points over at the official Virgin Atlantic website. So using a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to www.virginatlantic.com. When you arrive at this page, hover over the Flying Club on the top menu and you will see the option to spend points at the left side. When you click spend points, you will be redirected to this page, and as you can see, you have a lot of ways to spend your points. I recommend you take your own time to read through all of them because I'm just gonna show off the basic one, reward flights, at the top. When you click this option, you will be able to see ways to spend your points by booking flights inside of Virgin Atlantic. Like I said, you don't necessarily have to spend your points in other flights. You have bonuses, you have upgrades that you can do, but I'm just gonna showcase simple ways to spend your points in this video. When you click this option, you will be able to scroll down and you should see this, ready to book a Virgin Atlantic flight. When you select find flights, you will be able to look for any flight that you wish, and after you search for the flights, you will be able to select show price in points or points plus money, whatever you prefer. Once you make the search, you will be able to browse through the flights and see how many points they cost. As you can see, all of these cost 20,000 points, and as long as you have the necessary amount of points, you will be able to select them from the list and finish your booking using the available points that you have. When it's time to go to the payment details, you will be able to select use my points. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Virgin Atlantic points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.